Have you ever felt regretful because the video is blurry and the facial details are lost? Or in video processing, do you want the image of characters to be clearer and more textured? Now, UniFab's newly launched Face Enhance model may be able to help you solve these problems. It uses AI technology to intelligently repair blur, enhance facial details, and optimize skin quality, giving old videos a new lease of life and making portraits more refined and natural. In this video, we will test UniFab Face Enhancer to see how it actually performs. After entering UniFab software, you can see that the software has clearly classified the functions and has a very fresh interface design. You only need to import the video you want to upgrade, and you can preview and crop the video. Finally, adjust the video output position and click Start. UniFab's Face Enhancer is amazing. It can accurately restore the details of facial features and make the face clearer and more natural. UniFab improves image quality with just one click, making skin texture, eye contours, and hair details more delicate and realistic with outstanding results. What do you think of UniFab's Face Enhancer feature? If you like our video, please like and subscribe. We are eager to hear your experience after using this software. Please share in the comments section. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.